Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to add fonts to Google Docs. Like and subscribe to support this channel. Let's get started. Google Docs has a large font library. To add a new font, click the drop-down list on the ribbon that displays the current font. By default, this font is Arial. There are about 30 fonts in the drop-down list, and some of the fonts presented have their own preset settings. But if we need to add a new font, then click More Fonts. The window that opens shows a variety of fonts, each of which can be added to Google Docs. You can find a font by its name or by using 3 font filtering buttons. When the desired font is found, you need to add it to the list. We just select it with the leftmost button and the font immediately turns blue and appears on the right side in My Fonts section. To remove such a font, click on it again or click the cross next to it in the My Fonts section. Click OK and check if the font appears in the list. As you can see, the font has appeared and we can use it in our documents. It's all I wanted to say. Now we know a little more. Thanks for watching.